Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today on Awesome Keurig Recipes, we're going to show you how to do the Dunkin cold brew at home. It's actually a two-in-one recipe. I'll show you how to do the cold brew. This is the Keurig Dunkin cold that you can buy. That all you have to do is brew it over ice and enjoy your cold brew. And I'm also going to show you how to make it a sweet cream cold brew. So stay tuned to the end and I'll show you the recipe once we get done with this one. So today, as you see, first thing you're gonna need is the Dunkin cold brew. This is a 10 pack right here, and this is the caramel flavor. So we also have some Jordan skinny syrup, the salted caramel. This is needed because this is going to actually enhance the flavor. So sometime in these Keurigs it's just a slight hint, but with this recipe you're definitely going to want to add just a little more caramel syrup to it to make it pop and you really taste those cold brew flavors. So as you can see, we have one pod ready to put in. So let's go ahead and insert that in our Keurig. And according to the instructions, you should only brew it onto 6 ounces because it's made to I guess not heat up the ice so much. So over 6 ounces you might still be able to keep the ice cool in order to enjoy a cold brew. So next, after you put the pot in, you definitely want to fill your cup with ice before you even brew. Right here, have the good old Dunkin cup. So let's go ahead and pop this K-cup in there and get started. Okay guys, so we put in our K-cup and we set it to 6 ounces. So what you want to do for this recipe, after you got your ice, you fill it up with ice, you go ahead and put some of this salted caramel syrup in there. So let's go ahead and insert that in there. You don't want to insert too much, but just enough to desired taste. And then that'll make it pop some more with the already caramel flavor from the actual K-cup. So let's go ahead and put our syrup. So we went ahead and added our salted caramel syrup there. As you can see, I didn't fill it up all the way, just maybe like a fourth of the cup, because this cup is not going to fill up anyway with 6 ounces. So this should be enough just to make that caramel flavor pop in the cold brew. So once we put that in there, let's go ahead and brew it over ice, guys. Okay, as you can see, we are brewing, and you can take a zoom in at for you guys. You see the flavors are actually coming together and the ice is not melting. So first on this review, I can actually say it does not melt over ice, but you would have to definitely put a lot more ice in there to make sure that it doesn't do that, because I tried it on a little bit just to keep the flavor. It does not work. So you definitely have to make sure you fill it with ice to make it cold brew. So now that we stopped, you now have your cold brew. So as we zoom in on that, right there, you can see the ice is still there. It's not melted. If you do a normal K-cup, then try to brew it, it all melts. So all you have to do is get you a Dunkin K-cup caramel. They have other flavors as well. Get some caramel syrup. It could be Jordan, so it could be sugar-free, non-sugar-free. But with this recipe, I felt like it tastes better. And you go ahead and slap your lid on like so, and you can enjoy the cold brew. And next we'll show you how to make it a sweet cream cold brew. So there you go. There's the lid. You can just give it a little shake and give it a taste, and you're good to go, just like you have in the coffee shop. So now I'm going to show you how to make it a sweet cream cold brew, just like they have in your favorite coffee shops. So if this is good for you, then you let that go and take it to go, whatever you want. So now if you feel like you want a sweet cream the next time, you go ahead and take the lid off, and what you're gonna do is add this recipe right here is something new, guys. So what you want to do is get this Twix caramel cookie creamer. Get that right there. It's Coffee Mate brand. It's 0 sugar. It actually is not bad, guys. That's why I grabbed it. I tried it out one day, and you see the cookie caramel. So you see where I'm going with this. I try to bring you guys recipes after I test them to make sure that it is worth consuming. That's why sometimes it takes a while to drop videos, but I do appreciate you guys tuning in to the channel as it grows. So definitely subscribe, leave comments, and let me know if you got some recipes or anything you would like to see, and I'll definitely try to go out and test it and see if I can make a recipe with it for you. So okay, let's go ahead and make it a sweet cream cold brew. So now you have your creamer. So what you want to do, you do not want to over pour, you just want to pour just a splash of it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pour a splash in here for you. And there you go, guys. So once you put that couple splashes in there, or 2 teaspoons, whatever you feel comfortable with, the thing is you want it to go ahead and just spread naturally. You don't want to mix it like iced coffee, just stir it. I mean, eventually it probably will get that way, but just for starting out, you just want to go to do that. Pop on your lid. So now you got 2 recipes to show you how to make the cold brew caramel at home and how to enhance it, and I also show you how to make a cold brew, sweet cream cold brew with the Twix caramel coffee creamer, guys. So that is it. So slap this lid on. I'm about to drink this and enjoy my day. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next coffee recipe video.